Hi guys, I'm back with another video. Now I will show you how you can apply for Social Security. Before I start, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button for more updates. Social Security system is like a medical insurance which French government provides you. So it covers 70% of your health insurance. So for remaining 30% you have to apply for a complementary insurance. So there are many other insurances for which you can apply, like SMIRA and etc. So for Social Security system, you don't have to pay anything. You just simply have to apply, and it is free of cost. So it will cover 70% of health insurance. Like if you go to a doctor and you pay him the fee 25 euros, so you can reimburse 70% of that 25 euro, which is around 17.5 euros. So to get a remaining 30% of health insurance, I am saying it again, that you have to apply for a complementary health insurance. So this is the link where you have to go and apply. So you have this kind of website. So you have to click here, direct online register, your circumstances, student with no employment. Okay, your date of birth, write your date of birth here. So guys, after that you have to click on continue. So what documents are required for registration? The list of required documents depend on the information previously entered. Required documents to obtain your certificate, provision, right to a security number, proof of registration for the current academic year, proof of identity, a student visa, visa étudiant, and additional document required are a vital record, a residence permit, and an official banking information slip in your name. To finalize your registration, you must as soon as able deposit in your personal space the documents necessary for obtaining your certificate of final entitlement to Social Security. Without RIB, the amount of healthcare payments that you have advanced to health professional cannot be reimbursed. So you have to write your title, last name, first name, date of birth, country, and your address here. And so these are all type of details. So I will skip it. So guys, after writing that details, first you have to upload your school certificate here, and then you have to upload here your passport, and then you have to write upload here the stamp of visa on your passport. You upload here, and this is Vital card, a proof of civil status, a full copy of the birth certificate. So you have to upload birth certificate here, and here you have to upload your residence permit, which it is that like for which you have paid 50 euro fees, and you will have a residence permit you have to upload here, and an official banking information slip which the bank will provide you, so you have to upload here. So after uploading this, then click on next. So guys, after uploading all the details, you will receive an email. So you will need to click on the link appearing this message in order to create your personal area. So this link is only valid for 1 day. So I will check mine. So you have the option to confirm my email address, and that's it. So you have to choose your passport. This is the last step. So guys, after that you will receive this type of message. So if some of your documents are missing or have been rejected, you will receive an email stating which document to upload from your personal area. And once your registration has been completed and approved, you will be able to download your permanent certificate to replace your temporary certificate of entitlements. Your permanent certificate will show your French Social Security number, which you can use. So blah blah, that's it. So I hope you guys have understood the procedure. If you have any question, please let me know. I will try to answer. Thank you for watching. Bye, take care.